wait till you hear what I have. I hate to interrupt the video here. This should have gone live yesterday. It's the 18th, right now it's Friday. Last few days I was up at the Vid Summit Expo up in Los Angeles, which was a lot of fun. Anyway, I called the folks over with iMovR with regards to, give them a heads up that, hey, we created this review. We're going to go live with it yesterday. And one thing led to another, speaking with the owner of iMovR, and guys, he okayed for us to give away one of their iMovR Lander Lite Desk. Yay! This is a $799 ergonomic up-down badass desk that we're going to be giving away. So stay tuned to the end of the video to get all the details on that. Hey everybody, good to see your smiling faces. Today we're going to be talking about stand-up desks. We're going to be talking about this thing right here. You see, I've been using stand-up desks for over a decade. Back then, there weren't many options for these sort of desks, and it showed with the price. I had one of their L-shaped desks, and it cost over $4,000, and I needed a PhD in mechanical engineering just to put that thing together. The funny part with this is, don't get me wrong, I love building things. However, that desk took me a long time to put together, and it was well-constructed desk, but just pricing it took forever to put this damn thing together. Now, fast forward 10 years, and fortunately, there has been a lot more manufacturers making these sort of desks and much more science behind the importance of having one of these. Now, best of all, with more manufacturers, you have more better price options, which is a yay. I had the Workrite desk for 9 years and decided I wanted to move away from the L-shaped desk and go with a straight desk, and ideally something with better ergonomics. Now, considering the time that I sat on my ass in front of the computers, this was a biggie for me. So my criteria for my new desk included the following. I needed it large enough to have room for my 2 computers. I needed small enough that it didn't take up my entire office with this L-shaped desk. Something that provided better ergonomics for my hands, wrists, and my arms. And best of all, or better yet, easy to put together. After a lot of long nights scouring the internet, I found a desk that ticked each and every one of these boxes. Now, this is not a paid review, but we did reach out to iMovR and they sent this desk for me to review. That desk is the iMovR Lander, and here's how it met my specific needs. With a variety of widths available from 41 inches to 83 inches, you can get precisely the right size desk for your needs. And at 30 inches deep, these desks offer plenty of workspace without overwhelming the space in your office, which is a big plus. What's more, there are 16 finishes available from white to black to almond, cherry, bella walnut, and an advanced 3D laminate that is ergo contoured and incredibly durable. In fact, since I got this desk, iMovR has also added 36 natural wood options as well, also ergo contoured. But I have to say, I like mine still. The iMovR Lander desk offers next level sit stand capabilities as well. There's an easy to use height control paddle on the desk that allows you to raise and lower the desk to your own programmable heights settings with a simple double tap. Now, the paddle also has a built-in health coach that reminds you when it's time to change your position. One study in Denmark showed that having a built-in reminder like this, as simple as it is, increases the average user standing time by 70%. I look at it as a big plus. And you want to see evidence of this? Geez, just wearing an Apple Watch here, it's constantly reminding me to stand up. So this is a pretty big deal for people to get off their rear end and start standing. Now, additionally, the desk features whisper quiet motors that can lift up to 360 pounds with a seamless, smooth, and quick action, which is a big bonus as well. I've seen some of these desks where you just they're grinding away as they're going up and you can hear the gears going, so it's nice to have that quietness. Best of all, there's a free companion app that you can download to set up your heights and your coaching preferences This will track your usage against your personal goals and other such features. I ordered my Lander desk with iMovR's patent steady type keyboard so I could be more comfortable as I type. Now, this thing allows you to set your keyboard at any angle, literally guys, 85 degrees without losing your keyboard. Now, I typically use mine right about the 20-30% degree mark. That way you can be truly comfortable in a prime ergonomic position as you work. Now, this neutral positioning of my wrists, arms, and elbows makes all the typing I do throughout the day much easier task and reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries from holding your elbows at a 90-degree angle all day. Now, furthermore, this steady type tray is much more stable from those flimsy trays that slide out and under the desk. Now, with the improved stability of the keyboard tray, my desk and monitor don't shake, which is obviously a huge benefit as I work long hours in the office. Now, this desk was also a breeze to set up. Literally just a few minutes is all it took because it comes shipped nearly completely assembled. The Lander is the only standing desk I was able to find that comes together not just relatively instantly, but entirely with no tools. The rest of them, like my original Workrite desk, was pretty much like one of those IKEA kits. Toolbox, patience, and some skills required. And might as well throw in a couple beers. Just you're going to be spending enough time, might as well get the most out of it. But lastly, as I was hunting for the ideal desk and began reading about the Lander desk, I discovered that it's not only made in the US, which bonus, I really appreciated, but it was also an industry-leading warranty of 10 years on the base components and 5 years on the tabletop. That's just not something you see too often these days. Quality American-made products made with a killer warranty. Yeah, another bonus, guys. Now, what's funny is that my 4-year-old son now knows how to raise and lower the desk, and when he sees me raising it, he'll sprint from the other side of the room and hold on to it so it kind of lifts him up. Now, I feel a review with no negatives just isn't a review, but really, there isn't much not to like about this thing. My old Workrite desk was a remarkable desk, but it cost over $4,000 and took me forever to put this thing together. My Lander desk does exactly what I wanted to do, and I didn't get bent over on the price, so I can't gripe about the price. The ergonomics are spot on, especially with the steady type. If I had to say something, I would say I wish it had a shelf underneath it. But that was fixed when I ordered a shelf off of Amazon for 29 bucks and it mounted with 4 screws underneath the desk. Problem solved, yay! Then again, my Workrite desk didn't have this either, so basically I had to do the same thing with that. I guess I can bring up that I'm a do-it-yourself sort of guy and I like building things. This thing comes to you practically falling out of the box pre-built and only took me 3 minutes to put together once I got it out of the box. So that's pretty much a buzzkill right there. I would add my son did love the huge box that this came in. We made a house out of it and yeah, had a good time with it. Seriously though, if you want to know if I would recommend this desk, absolutely yes I would. It's a great value, ergonomics are fantastic, motors are quiet, smooth, and the desk looks great. The ironic thing about this is that I thought that I'd be done having an L-shaped desk, which is why I moved to this thing. Turns out I kind of missed the L-shaped desk in the additional room, so I just ordered a 35-inch extension to add to my current setup. Thankfully, iMovR has your back in this case, and if you want to convert your straight desk to an L shape, it's simple conversion. So that's actually on its way as we speak right now. So whether you get a straight desk or a L-shaped desk or even a treadmill desk, trust me when I say that the Lander Desk series for iMovR is definitely the way to go. Okay guys, so here are the details of this giveaway. So we're going to January 1st, 2020, we're going to give away one of these Lander Lite Desk away. It's valued at $799 if 100 people participate in the contest, which is a slam dunk. To participate in the contest, all you have to do is leave a comment down below, like the video, and share it. So simple. Comment down below, share it, and like it. So that's it, guys. January 1st, we're going to randomly pick one of you guys, and one of you guys are going to kick off 2020 in style. I'm telling you, you're going to love this desk. All right, guys, good luck.